Hello everyone, Neil here with Real Terrain Hobbies, back in action. You were all probably wondering where I was or if I was coming back or what was going on, but I'm back. I've been busy. As you can see, things are around here a little different than the last time I did a video. That is because I moved out of my spare room upstairs and I've come down into the basement. I've been kind of kicked out and put down here, so it's good. I've got all my supplies and tools and everything kind of here and set up already, so I don't have to tear things down, set them up again, and whenever I want to start a new project or you know, whatever, start working on something, it's already here. And as you may have noticed, I've got a cold. I had it for about 3 weeks or so, and it's not going away. I don't know why, but it sucks. But anyway, if you can handle that, good. If not, well, it's not going to last forever, so hopefully it'll be gone soon. But anyway, I've been busy with things. I've been slacking on the YouTube videos and making things, but I've been slacking. I could have been doing this way more frequently than I have been, and I kind of was picking out here and there, and I've been editing here and there with this as well. And it's a big the way I'm doing a new format for the videos, and it's a big what am I trying to say? It's just a bigger process of editing. It's a lot more editing intensive, the way I'm planning this next tutorial or work log type thing. And so because of that, and because I know it's going to be that way, I've almost been sort of avoiding it, which is not the way to do things. So what I've kind of decided, what I'm going to do is, instead of doing this heavy intensive edited video, instead I'm just going to start doing weekly just vlogging the work throughout the week that I've done through the week, and put it on. I'm going to do it on Wednesdays. I think I'm going to upload on Wednesdays. I've decided that I should do it one day of the week, so I can be kind of regular with that. And Wednesdays, I decided, whatever, get something up, get things regular, because this was about a month now almost since I've posted something. I did a preview of this, and that's 3 weeks to a month ago now. And yeah, I've been slacking on it. So anyway, but this is where I am so far. It's very close to being done this level, and we'll get on the next level pretty quickly here. I've done the painting of the rocks. I'm not going to show you too much, but it's looking good. I'm really happy with it. It's a really quality, like, well built. You can feel it's built well. It's solid. I used a special kind of construction glue, PL Premium, for all the foam core. Here's the base. It's ugly right now. I'm going to be fixing that up, but it's solid. Nothing's coming apart. You don't have to worry with PVA and these wood pieces accidentally snapping off. The wood will itself snap in half before the glue joint breaks and that. So I just, for the bigger parts, for most of it really, I use that PL Premium. I did use some PVA here and there, but not much actually, just because I want this thing to last and to be solid and strong and a good quality build. But I got all the doors in. There's the front door, fully swinging, back door, fully swinging, metal hinges, metal brackets, and door handles. There's another one on the side here. This top comes off. It's gonna be a sweet house. There's the cellar in there, and I've been really quite pleased with how this has come. The rocks, I was nervous about painting the rocks, and they've turned out pretty sweet. So, having said that, this is just a quick little update. I've got the basement set up now, so I'm ready to roll. And I made some fancy LED lights on the cheap instead of paying a lot of money for just a couple LEDs to get some nice lighting down here. I went ahead and bought some strips on Amazon, and then you put them together and you can make some pretty nice lights. So I did that just for you guys to make the video look that more aesthetically pleasing. I almost forgot the word again. So yeah, so anyway, I'm gonna that's all I was doing. That is or what I was doing is just this quick update of what's happening with me and this channel. I'm gonna make it once a week, and I'm gonna show you now a preview, kind of like the last preview I did of this, but just a few clips of where I progressed from that last video on some clips of the upcoming tutorial. And I hope to have that out soon. And actually, I didn't mention I would be doing the once a week thing, but also I will, for a project like this, it'll all culminate to a final nice tutorial video of the whole thing, having used the footage from those weekly videos and kind of put it all together into one at the end of that project, so it's all start to finish. And I'll have that out there, as well as my weekly progress vlogs, I guess you could call them. Okay guys, so thanks for hanging in there. Share this with your friends, share this with some forums, whoever, if you can send the word out. I don't know if you can actually, I guess people share stuff like that. So if you happen to be on a place where you're able to do that, awesome. And if you're new to the channel, please subscribe, and thanks for coming by. Hopefully you like it, and there's going to be a lot more to come, so stay tuned, and I will see you on Wednesday. Okay, see you guys, bye.